That's a big one. Look how big that is.
It's like half the size of your body.
Hello, my name is Michelle and I'm an aquatic ecologist in Riding Mountain National Park in Treaty 2 territory in southwestern Manitoba. And we are out on the lake. This is beautiful Clear Lake. And we are out doing some spearfishing today for invasive smallmouth bass. We have a new project this year where we are trying out a new technique to control an invasive fish that we have in Clear Lake. A couple of years ago we got reports from anglers that they were starting to see and catch smallmouth bass in Clear Lake, and that was a big concern for us because smallmouth bass are not native to Manitoba at all, let alone Clear Lake. And they're a really aggressive top predator fish, and they eat a lot of other fish, which can reduce their populations. Local First Nations have fishing rights for Clear Lake, so that's something that we definitely want to protect, but we also want to protect the ecosystem of Clear Lake in general. Spearfishing has been used in the ocean for controlling invasive fish, but it hasn't really been looked at in freshwater systems. It's a really cool project. We're partnering together with local First Nations to try out a new technique for protecting Clear Lake.
So we are doing some recon trying to find smallmouth bass, and once we have observations, we also find nests of bass, and once they are confirmed, we capture the bass using spearfishing, and then we take some measurements on the effort, how much time it took, and also some nest measurements.
So what happens when this research is done? Well, after we finish the field work, we are going to have to do identification on all of the stomach contents from these fish so that we can accurately determine what they've been eating. We will send away our aging samples to a lab, or they will tell us how old these fish are. We'll be crunching all the numbers, and after that we can use that information to figure out where we want to go from here. All of those decisions are really going to have to be made collectively, though, with local First Nations. We want to make these decisions together and work together to determine the future directions of how we're going to manage invasive smallmouth bass, protect the health of Clear Lake together.